Welcome to another review from Ultimate DIYer. Today we are going to take a quick look at a couple pairs of the Allswifit shoes. Now, these are both going to be basically cross trainer shoes. One of them is considered a no slip, which is going to be this one over here. It's going to have laces. And this one is a laceless. It's a slip-on shoe. So what are my advantages to either or both of these? First of all, I'm going to tell you is both of them are extremely lightweight. They are both breathable, meaning that the wetness and the sweat as you're walking or standing is going to be wicked away from your body, which is going to make you more comfortable, and it's going to help with the odors and things that you can pick up from these. I will also say that both of these are true to size. So the size that you see is going to be very accurate. So if you are a size 6, then I would order a size 6 in these shoes. Now this one on the slip-on, there are no laces to tie. You see a lace, but they are built in. Both sets of shoes have a pull cord on the fronts. This one is right here, kind of covered up, and on the backs. So it makes it easy to get the shoes on. This one, you're not going to tie anything. You'll slide in and you're going to rock and roll down the road. Now, when I say cross trainer, these are basically going to be running and walking, hiking shoes, but they are considered a cross trainer as well, meaning they can do all of the above. Now this shoe has the skin-friendly Lycra on it. Since it's a slip-in shoe, a lot of times people do not like to wear socks, so they're going to slide their shoe in. Well, that material is very skin-friendly. Both shoes have very, very plush insoles, so if you're standing for a long period of time, it's going to be very comfortable. If you are pounding the ground running, it's still going to be very comfortable. They're all rubber soles, just like this one here, but this one is an all rubber, what they call popcorn. So it is actually going to absorb that pounding a little bit better. And this one has a little bit better gripping power than this shoe. This still has some grippers on it, but it is nothing compared to the grip on this one. So if you're needing something that's going to grip just a little better, I would kind of go towards this one. If you want something that is going to be quick and easy to slip on, I would go towards this one. So overall, guys, they're both great shoes. If I was going to rate them on a scale of 1 to 5, I'd give them both a 5, depending on what the function is. If I'm wanting that quickness, but yet comfort, 5. If I want something that's going to have better grip, have that popcorn type sole in it that's going to absorb a lot of pounding and banging, I would go with this one. Just depends on what kind of shoe you're looking for. So do yourself a favor, pick yourself up one pair of these today, or go ahead and pick them both up. I don't think you'll go wrong, and we will see you guys on the next review.